Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Obviously, we're not cooking in this video. Doing a little unboxing. Recently ordered some stuff from snackhawaii.com. I'll leave a link down below in the description. If you enjoy. Let's see. We got chocolate covered Hawaiian style coffee beans. I don't know if you've ever had chocolate covered espresso beans, but hopefully they'll be very similar, if not the same. We got sweet lihi moi. I've never had this one. I've had the red crack seed, or red lihi moi. We got some dried lemon. I love dried lemon. It's kind of bittery, sweet, and sour all at once. And we got lilikoi passion fruit. Lilikoi is the Hawaiian word for passion fruit. Citrusy, sour fruit. Let's try the coffee beans. That's what they look like. Yeah. It's good. Almost like a dark chocolate, but not quite dark. Next thing, a sweet lihi moi. Like I said before, I don't think I've ever had these. I don't recall. These are basically a dried plum. Pretty good. I like them. Still like the red better, but now I'm gonna make some of this. I'll be right back. There it is. For those that don't know, Hawaiian Sun is basically a local juice soda company in Hawaii. Let's try this. And it reminds me of like when I was growing up in Hawaii. No, thank you for being here and watching. Like I said, this is just a quick unboxing, tasting video, kind of bonus. I'm gonna upload this tonight, and tomorrow about 12 Mountain Time, my video will be going live, my normal weekly cooking video. Thank you if you like this or any of my other videos. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thank you. Have a good evening.